Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. Our today's topic, importance of local standard unit. Objectives: to understand the importance of local standard unit to weigh objects. Children, we have already experienced measuring length of different objects using non-standard unit. If we measure the length of an object with different non-standard units, then we get different answers. For example, if your mother measures the length of a bed with her handspan, and if you measure the length of the same bed with your handspan, then the answer will not be same. We need to use one non-standard unit consistently to measure the weight of different objects. That's why we need to use the standard unit of measurements. Children, we have seen in length lesson, Mr. Major and the child counted different number of steps to reach a point. Mr. Major counted 8 steps and the child took 14 steps from the same tree to the spot. Children, can we all use different objects to measure an object? Yes, we all can use different objects to measure an object. But if we do that, then like Mr. Major and the child, everyone's measurement will come different. Listen to the problem these children are discussing.
I compared the weight of a crayon box with a notebook. I think a crayon box is a light object.
Children, do you think the crayon box is light or heavy? See here. The girl compared the weight of a crayon box with a notebook, and the boy compared it with an eraser. So, we cannot say the crayon box is light or heavy. Children, I am going to compare the weight of this gift box with a red ball. So, I am going to put this gift box in one pan and the ball is in other pan. Now see here, the box is heavier than the ball. Now I am going to compare the weight of this gift box with the lunch box. Now see here, this time the gift box is lighter than the lunch box. So we cannot say this gift box is lighter or heavier. First time I have used this red ball to compare the weight with this gift box, and the second time I have used lunch box to compare the weight. So children, can we use different objects to compare and measure the weight of an object? Yes, we can use different objects to compare and measure the weight of an object, but we are not able to weigh objects correctly. Instead of using different objects, it will be helpful to use one object as a local standard unit. Here, this Fevicol bottle I am going to use as a local standard unit. With this, we will compare and measure the weight of different objects. Now see here, I compare and measure the weight of this water bottle with this Fevicol bottle. Now I am going to compare the weight of these 3 balls with the Fevicol bottle. So the Fevicol bottle is heavier. Now I have again the same size 3 balls. Now see, Again, the Fevicol bottle is heavier than these 3 balls. Here, we have used Fevicol bottle as a local standard unit, and that's why both the time the Fevicol bottle is heavier than these balls. So, if we use the standard unit of measurement, then we are able to weigh the objects correctly. Children, all you have your own pen balance like this. Consider any one object as a standard unit and then compare and measure the weight of different objects which are easily available at your home. Page number 74 and 75 is for homework. Stay healthy and happy at your home. Thank you.